shipping changes.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just thought I would share this story, and I want to thank Dominic for sharing it with me. You guys know Dominic. I'll link his YouTube channel below. Good friend of this channel, good friend and supporter. He's awesome, and if you haven't checked him out, go check him out. But he shared this story, and so I want to give him credit for bringing it to my attention. But out of Charlotte, North Carolina, a gentleman was arrested after a federal raid on his storage units to the tune of $1 million in stolen merchandise from Home Depot and $3 million in alleged sales on eBay of previously stolen merchandise. So the way that it worked, this is again out of Charlotte, and this is all fact. The man has pled guilty now, Edwin Barkley out of Charlotte, to guilty to interstate transportation of stolen property by the U.S. Secret Service and federal authorities. He's in big trouble. So apparently he would get his co-conspirators, his cronies, to go to Home Depot and steal high-end tools and bring it to him, where he had multiple storage units, 3 of them, and they would then list these items on eBay and sell them to the tune, again, of $3 million in sales on eBay in less than 3 years. And they had an additional $1 million in the storage units worth of merchandise when they raided it. So the crazy thing is, if you think about $3 million a year, or $3 million in 3 years, that's $1 million a year they did in sales, assuming eBay, PayPal fees, everything came out to like 20% gone. They had some heavy shipping, so just say 30% with the labels. They actually made $700,000 in profit. Remember, no cost of goods, because they were stealing it. Now, I don't know if he was splitting this with the thieves 50-50 or 70-30. Who knows what kind of arrangement they had, but overall they were profiting $700,000 a year, give or take. And that's just an educated guess on my behalf with no cost of goods. $700,000 a year between however many of them it was is an amazing living. $2.1 million in profit over 3 years, with an additional $1 million in the warehouse, the storage units. So anyways, I'll link this story. It is from 12 on Your Side out of Charlotte, NBC 12 out on Your Side. Mark Davenport did the original story, so I'll credit that fully. I've got it here on my phone, and again, thanks to Dominic for bringing it to my attention. I just think that's crazy, and I would love to know, you know, I've seen multiple of these stories. We did that story last year on the computer fraud case to $1.3 million. How many of these people, how much of this merchandise is actually cycling through online e-commerce sites? This guy's store was called Tool King USA, and he sold that $3 million between August of 2015 and October of 2018, so actually just a hair over 3 years. And they were all heavy duty tools, and I'll link or picture this up in one of the corners, but you guys can see on my phone. Look at that warehouse full of tools. That is a serious operation. Think about what it would take to do $1 million, even with high-end power tools. That's a lot of sales, a lot. So pretty crazy story out of Charlotte. Thanks again, Dominic, and I'll link the story and link everything you need for Dominic down below. And tell me what you think. Use the comment section, and the last time we did a video on this, you guys had some pretty strong opinions, so I can't wait to hear what you think about people like this. And Mr. Edwin Barkley pled guilty. He actually pled guilty, so this video is completely cited, news source, protected, and looks like he's going to jail. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the comments.